Trapezoidal Rule. So here we're going to look at estimating irregular areas by using trapeziums. So you should know that a trapezium looks like this, where we've got parallel sides separated by a height, and the distance of this parallel side is A and this one is B. The area is going to be half of the height outside of the two parallel sides added together. And we can use this to estimate some irregular shapes. So let's have a look at like this one. So we can see so far I've drawn almost the same shape, but if we've got something like that, if we pretend that was a straight line, we'd actually have a trapezium, and we can estimate the area of this by just pretending that it's a trapezium. So instead of so we're still going to call this H, but we're going to call this one DF and DL, where the F stands for first and the L stands for last. So the area of this trapezium is going to be H over 2 DF plus DL. And we may even have to do it twice if we want to split up the shape into two trapeziums, which we're going to have a look at. So let's estimate the area of this shape here. So let's go this. Oops. Okay, let's say this was 18 meters, this was 22 meters, this was 24 meters, this was 20 meters, and this was 20 meters. So all we're going to do here is we're going to pretend this is going to be two trapeziums, being 1 and 2. We're going to find the area of each one of those and add them together. So we're pretending they're trapezium by doing that. So let's do our working out. So the area is going to be the area of 1 plus the area of 2. So the area of the first one, well, always the parallel sides are going to be the DF and the DL. So these are all the parallel sides. And the height is going to be the thing that joins the parallel sides together. So our height is 20. It's 20 over 2 outside of our parallel sides added together. So 18 plus 22 plus our second one, where again the height is 20 over 2 outside of the two parallel sides added together, which is 22 plus 24. So we're going to get 10 times 40 plus 10 times 46. So we're going to get 400 plus 460, which is going to give us 860 meters squared. Right, let's have a look at another example. So we've got this kind of shape here. This is 10 meters, 10 meters, 5 meters, and 12 meters. And if we go to make a trapezium here, you can see that there was no distance here for the first one. So this distance is actually 0 meters. And that's going to be really handy for us when we go to do our calculations. So again, we're still going to go with our area being 1 plus 2. So the height of this first one is 10 over 2. The first distance is 0 plus the last distance is 5 plus the height of the second trapezium is also 10 over 2, and distance of the first one is 5 plus distance of the last one, which is 12. So we're going to get 5 times 0 plus 5 is 5 plus 10 divided by 2 is 5 times 5 plus 12 is 17. So we're going to get 25 plus 85. So we're going to get 110 meters squared.